What's up, my fellow animal lovers? I'm trying to figure out what this new brown bird is. He's been starting to hang around for the last few days. I caught him in the water dish the other day. He was having a hell of a time splashing around. He was going underwater. He was having a blast. Unfortunately, my camera was dead at that point. I couldn't film it, but I've been trying. Anyway, if you know what kind of bird he is, let me know.